Do you want to make a person fall in love with you all time? You might be asking this question because you like a man a lot, and you are looking ahead to him feeling identical to you. He's the person of your goals, and you adore him. You want him by your aspect proper now, but unfortunately, you continue to don't have him. You're inclined to do something it takes for him to chase you, such as you, be interested in you, and fall madly in love with you. However, it looks like a big mission. Number 5. Don't lose hope. Don't lose your wish. If you need a guy to fall in love with you, you have to be hopeful at all times. Losing a wish may be an ailment not best in seeking to win the coronary heart of a person, but additionally in all things that we do in our daily existence. Hope for satisfaction, but do not lose sight of the truth. When pursuing a man and wanting him to fall in love with you, there are definitely likely consequences, which might be, when pursuing the love of a person, it is crucial to be hopeful and stay high quality. We all seem greater appealing and attractive when we supply off correct, fine vibes. But do not hold all your hopes on getting the end result in your dream approximately. He has emotions much as you do, and none people surely have control over our hearts. He is probably interested in you as an awful lot as you're interested in him. Be influenced through that wish, and take steps to discover if it is the case. You may not recognize it till you take some time to seize him. However, you must also put together for any eventuality and outcome. If this guy's now not the only one for you, there may be another man on your horizon. So don't lose hope. Number 4. Be yourself. Be yourself when trying to make a man fall in love with you. It is critical to be yourself and no longer someone else when it comes to personality and character. If you are pretending to be extraordinary out of your actual self while seeking to make a guy like you, you aren't doing yourself any favors. By attempting now not to be yourself, you're definitely indicating or suggesting that you are not at ease with yourself. Many guys will without difficulty be aware of this shortcoming in you and fast come to be disinterested. Number 3. Be aware of your appearance. Don't let your appearance will let you down. Your look could make you win or lose when it comes to dating. To please a person and make him get interested in you, you must be presentable. Be privy to what you're carrying, whether or not your hair is easy, and in case you are dressed correctly. Of path, you want to look sexy for the person you need to fall in love with you, but sex enchantment would not always mean frame-hugging garb and masses of cleavage. Jeans and a T-blouse with windblown hair may be simply as sexy as a manicured appearance in a proper outfit, under the right circumstances. The key? Feel confident, relaxed, and suitable about yourself. Number 2. Listen, don't just talk. When you need to please and make a man fall for you, it's far important that you concentrate. Don't simply communicate. If you chatter incessantly whilst you are fearful, find a few different ways to cope with your nerves. Many ladies make the mistake of talking more than they concentrate while they are around a capable male accomplice. Girls are not the most effective ones on the route. Many men do the equal factor. But this is a huge mistake which can without problems price you getting the man of your goals. There are certainly girls who are after money, gold diggers. Differentiate yourself from the typical gold digger and let him see you are interested in him for his love and not his money, or any other material thing. Number 1. Show confidence. Liking yourself makes it easy for him to like you too. You're a very good person with very unique qualities. Be confident that you are worthy of being loved. Confidence is prime. Sure, some women appear to make a profession out of catching men by means of gambling on the victim or the helpless woman. Without confidence, you hazard being left at the back. If you need a man to like you, you need to have a feeling of self-assurance in yourself so one can ultimately make you technique him without fearing or sensing any threat. When you are working on ways to make a guy fall in love with you, it is essential to smile and laugh. Don't present an unfriendly face. Be as outgoing, friendly, and social as you feel comfortable being. Guys generally like girls with a sense of humor who can make them feel good. Tell him enjoyable stories, and don't be afraid to laugh. Remember not to go overboard and look like a comedian. Please like and subscribe the channel and also share your thoughts about video in comment section below and share video with friends.